Carl, are we slaying right now?
Killing it. Absolutely killing
Bro, like Brofos. Like,
amazing.
We're like the #1 trending fan army right now. I'm like, what? People are like, the Brofos, the bays. It's sick. And like, it's down to you guys. And you know what? Before we even start this video, before I tell you what's going on in this video, I just spat. Guys, let's get 100,000 likes in this video. It's Sunday. I'm putting it up on Sunday, so smash it right now. 100,000 likes. Hit the like button right now. Oh, sorry, Carl. Hit the like button. Comment #Brofo, #Bay down below right now if you want a shout out at the end of the video. And, oh, bro, I've left the iPhones in the car. Basically, guys, I'm giving away these iPhones. Can you put them right there? Yeah. I'm giving away iPhones now, guys. An iPhone Rose Gold or an iPhone Matte Black 7. If you want that, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel right now. Like and subscribe, turn the notifications on, and follow me at Ben Phillips UK on Instagram. Right, so what am I doing today? I haven't even told you guys the video and you're watching it. That's how sick the Brofos are. Like, I actually haven't thought of an idea today, Carl. Sorry to put that one on you. Yeah, what works at the moment, which I'm finding really funny, is when we lock him in things. We've locked him in the toilet, we've locked him in the elevator. What if you were locked in a luxury car? No food, no drink in there.
You just had your range. So.
Right, Brofo?
I'm not a Brofo. Doing you Sunday.
I know.
Get out.
What the X on your top? What have you dribbled on yourself?
I don't know. Maybe snot. I don't know. I fell asleep in it.
Do you want in 10 quid and a bottle of cider?
I'm in rehab.
10 quid and a bottle of cider? I need you to clean my car. No spit and shine because I don't know where your tongue's been. You know what dates you go on?
Let's call a bottle of spirit and I'll do it.
Good deal? Yeah?
Oh,
I knew that was going.
Oh no!
call me a Brofo again. I'll spit in your face. Where's that piece of crap?
Out on the side.
Oh, why?
There's something missing from the video. Now, we've done #Brofo, #Bay. We've told them with the phones. Oh. Sorry, bro.
Oh, I can see him.
We've pranked him so much this week the camera's died. Why don't you charge it, all my batteries are flat.
Okay, here's the issue. The camera's dead, we've got no batteries, and we don't have the car keys to lock him in. And the car app is on the phone, so I'm gonna have to do it while on the phone. Hang on, 2 seconds. How the heck do you use this thing, Carl?
Sorry, bro. 3% alcohol. I'm never trying that shit again. To Ben and Elliot. Hi Ben, we would just like to say that we love your videos and pranks, vlogs and videos. And for you, Elliot, when you are going to get Ben back soon.
Shh. Get out of your way.
You kidding me? Run. Thank God for that. Ah! Jezza, how's it going, mate? Yeah, I'm good. I've got 2 iPhone 7s, I think, yeah, mate. And they're signed by Dickhead. You know the black market, what's the rates again? Ooh, what are you saying? Shit. Well, when I get out of this shitty car, then I'll be able to come meet you and I'll be selling these iPhones off. Screw the bays and the bloody Brofos. Hey Charles, going to the moon. Astronaut. Blast off in 3, 2, 1. Marge! Get a crowbar! No! Smash the window! Why the hell have you brought me a guitar? Crowbar! You idiot!
Hi, Bobby. You wanna go for it?
Why are you not turning down?
Come on, party. Let's go party.
It's a plastic!
Party.
Crazy frog. Remember?
Yeah.
Ring ding 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 ding.
Bing bing bam dum bum bum bam bam bum 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 bum.
What's going on?
Turning down.
Should we put some porn on as well? Why not? But don't do this at home unless you know Elliot Giles.
Shut up, you simple bitch!
Oh, here it comes.
Stop them out! Come in! I don't give a shit if you're gonna come or not! Good evening! Welcome to the Late Late Show with Elliot Giles. Today we've got One Direction. How's it going, boys? Let's do a bit of carpool karaoke. What you say, Harry? Baby, light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flick your hair gets me overwhelmed. My life is shit. Rub it! Well, I started when I was 13 years old, and pop just made me who I am. I'm just like a rock star. Shit. Come out of this car! Stop! What's the odds of me drinking this piss? I had my own shit last week, I can't do it. 3, 2, 1, 4, shit. Oh, I'm a beast. Bear Grylls, who? I mean like Bear Giles. Jesus Christ. Let me out! Let me out! No! Ah! Yes! Yes! No! No! That's how the dickhead did it. They vandalise you too? Yeah, they do it to me every day. Oh, it does feel quite real. Do like a redhead. Give me 5 minutes with my princess. Elliot, nice to meet you. What did the hyena say to the cheetah? You're fat. Get me out! Get me out! Oh, Jesus Christ. What are you, a joker? Oh. Get away! Get away! Dare you! Ah! Ah! Get out of my car! Go on! Jog on! I feel bad doing it in a car like this, but it's Benz. Who gives a shit? Shrewd. That's juicy. What? Why is he recording? Bad! Man of shit in your car. Deal with it. Sorry about that.
Never mind big dick Giles, more like big twit Giles.
version A. Let's go. It is the beautiful Welsh country. I feel like I'm doing a presentation. Basically, we've got Elliot in the car. We're taking him to a location that you'll see after we do the shout-outs. First one, #Brofo. Been watching you since 200,000 subscribers. I've noticed over time how much you've all changed. And the first time I met Georgina, Chris, Tristan, and of course, Midget Carl. I had Midget in that one. Don't give up. Love the constant uploading. Mia Moo. Thanks, Mia Moo. #Bay, #Brofo. Superglue Elliot to his bed and use a blowtorch to burn Sorry Bro into. Oh my gosh, that's sick, into his stomach.
cool.
But that's good. Biscuit face. I really would love to win the iPhone 7 in any colour. I love your videos. I have got to watch every single one. Your videos are worth my data. Ah, and that's why I love you, Bammy. #Brofo, #Bay, Sorry Bro. Hi Ben. When you reach 2 million subscribers, instead of just super gluing a dildo to Elliot's forehead, you can also put one on each cheek. Try Corn Giles. Love your videos. By Candle and Maple. I originally started watching you on Facebook, and I actually used to feel bad for Elliot for a while until I realised that he's a bit of an ass. Thanks for making me laugh every day. Trying the notifications here. Can you just shut up? By Alexia Stefan. I have here something a little different as well, guys. Special. It's a letter. I've ripped the address off because I need to send something back. But this letter came. I'm trying to do notifications! This letter was sent to Nana and Grandad's house, it was. And it was, Hoyle fellow Welshers, I'm just a fellow Nice girl born based, living in London, as a mum of 4 to my Wenglish children. I don't know, I think that means you speak Welsh and English. Thomas is a big fan of your book, and Daniel as well. And we've basically signed their book and sent it back to them from Nana and Grandad's. Cut long so short, this lady has gone through some crazy times, including swine flu and been, hospitalised and in bed and whatnot. So I just want to say to Claire Edgley, thanks for being a bay. Right, let's take him to the river.
You're kidding me. Oh, these are my favourite jeans. God bless you, Jesus. Screw it. Laughing at me, boys.
Sorry, bro.
I'll give you sorry, bro.
Hey, what's that?
Sorry, bro. Sorry, please. Sorry, bro.
Got the iPhone back.
Hey, no!
Oh, it's in the river!
It's in the water. It's going down. Can't get it.
Oh.
God, it's going down the street. Can't